Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping in today. I have my Chic Beauty Box, tiny little box here. I'm not sure what month this is. I don't know if the card inside tells us. July, August box, so you get a card. And it does give you prices for items that would be in your box. And then at the very top it says July, August box. Now for this month, we all got to choose. And you choose the 15th of the month that you're billed. And then we got emails that they were going to do the choice all over again if you wanted to. I was like, all right, whatever. I'm like, I'll redo it. Little sneak peek into the box right here. It's $34.99. This is a bi-monthly box. Comes from Canada. There are customs fees. It's $1 something, but it's annoying, but it is what it is. This box is fully customizable. 5 to 6 beauty products, some well-known brands, some drugstore brands. So that is there. And I'm waiting to do a webinar with Benefit Cosmetics. It starts about 8 minutes, but I think I could get through this without any issues. From NARS, we have the Precision Lip Liner. And I have Rouge Moroccan. I don't know if that's red or a brown. Sometimes you can't tell. Okay, that's a little bit of like a reddish brown. Let's give that a swatch. Oh, that's very red. Guess I'll be keeping that now. No big deal. So we have that. And from NARS, that is $24. And from Stila, Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This is $41. No, come on. Is that really? And that looks like it's going to be a red also. So I won't swatch this one because I will share this. Yeah, that's very red. So I won't swatch that. Here from CoverGirl, 24-hour kohl eyeliner, $10.99. And that is a gold. Ooh, let's open that up. I didn't bring my scissors out. Oh, I can get it. So you can see the gold end. Oh, that's pretty, and that's definitely gel. Oh, that's really pretty. That's like a bronzy. You guys can see that. Oh, that is a beautiful color. Love that. So that's not bad. And then here we have something from Almay. Where's it on here? Healthy Hue Blush, $11.99. I don't know if it's up here. Packaged well. Right here, I have liner on my hand. 100 Nearly Nude. I think that says. And this I need to get. Yeah, I need my blade. Let's see if I can reach it. Oh, I don't know if I can. Boy. Yep, I did. Oops. Okay, let's get in there. Let's open this up and see. So that's what that looks like. Full size. And this is, they said blush. Healthy Hue Blush. Okay, feels wonderful. Whoa. That's a dark shade. Not really. Let me get a little bit more because that's not as dark as you might think. So there it is on my hand. And that's definitely blendable. Nice, pretty shade. Okay, I'm not angry with that at all. Let's close that back up. How much was that, did I say? $11.99. And then the last item here is from, let me see if I can find it before I show it to you. Clarins. Clarins Paris 01 palette. 4-color eyeshadow palette, $43. And I have 01 Nude. Packaging. Ooh, pretty. Look how that comes. And then we have a little card. And then here's the palette. And this is saying wet to dry. So can you wet and dry? Okay. Let's see. Right here. So it has a pretty mirror. I'm going to Let's see if I can just do it this way. Right here, some nice neutrals. I like that. Let me see if I can, let's just do 2 of the shades here. How light they are. Yeah, they're pretty light. So I think this might be better off. I did this one and then the gray, and I can barely even see them on my hand. So I think this palette might be better off wet. Comes with a little sponge there. So that's pretty light. I would definitely, and it gives you, you know, like an idea and then a different idea on that side. I think that definitely would need to be wet to give you any real color payoff. But I like that Clarins is a very good brand. It's expensive. I like that it comes in a little velvet case there. Okay, so I like the palette. I like the blush. Loving the gold liner. I will share the red lip, and I mean, I did swatch this. If somebody doesn't mind, I mean, I just put it on my hand. It didn't go on my lip. Maybe I will share that. I never will wear it. But if you guys, I mean, I literally just put it on my hand. My hands are clean. I just washed them. Just got done grooming the dog. So I just literally soaped all the way up to my elbows. I probably have hair on my shirt still. So that I am clean. But I'll put these in giveaways and share those too. And that is the Chic Beauty Box. Clarins is probably the only non-drugstore. I'm not sure if you can get Stila out. I think you might be able to get this at Target, but this, you know, brand was purchased, and is trying to think who bought them. No, it wasn't Stila. It was Becca that they bought. I'm not sure if this is like Target-ish. I don't know if you can get Stila drugstore or not. NARS is a decent brand, so NARS and Stila I'll give away. CoverGirl, Almay are drugstore, and then Clarins is not drugstore for sure. So I will share those, and that is my Chic Beauty Box for July and August. Not horrible, but for $35, I mean, I know the palette in itself is worth $43, but if I didn't get the palette, would it be worth it? $11.99, so 12 and 10, so that's 22. 24 for NARS, so it's 46, and Stila is, I mean, it's still worth it. The liquid lipstick is $43 from Stila, so between that and the Clarins palette, it's definitely worth it. I'm on the fence with this one every time I get it. It's just like, it's expensive, and then, you know, it's just all that good stuff. So let me know your thoughts on this one. Is this one that you would ever consider getting? Just because of the price. I think it's kind of expensive. I wish they would give us less drugstore. I can go to CVS or Walgreens and buy a CoverGirl liner. So I wish they would not include that. The Almay product, I know you can get that at CVS. I've seen it at CVS or Walgreens. I don't mind necessarily that. But I would prefer non-drugstore products be put in this box for $35 plus tax plus customs fees. So I think they have a lot of room for improvement. So let me know your thoughts. I appreciate you all watching. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.